Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on wherever you are watching from. Okay, so this is Somic Digitals. Okay, Somic Tech Digitals. So I would like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Okay, so that people will get to see it, so that it will increase the algorithm. Okay, all right. So in this video, I'm going to show us how to host your course on Telegram. Okay, I'm going to show us different platforms that you are going to use and host your course for free, okay, without paying any dime. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about only Telegram. Okay, so I'll make other videos for other free platform, okay, that you can use for free and host your course, be it ebook, be it video course, be it audio course, any type of course. You can host it on Telegram, okay, without payment, okay, just for free. So stay tuned, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I beg you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay. It will help me and also help you, okay, so that because I'll be posting, you know, and interesting videos, packaged videos, okay, of how to make it, okay. All right, let's go. So for you to host your course on YouTube, on Telegram, first of all you have to record your course, okay. If it's video course, you have to record it. Either you use a video recorder or S recorder, okay, and record your video. Then after recording it, you edit it with InShot app of Finester, okay. You edit it with any of the app. Then after that, your course is ready, okay. So now, how to host it is for you to go to Telegram app. Make sure you have a Telegram app. You go to your Telegram. Okay, this is my Telegram, so I'm going to click on it. Click on your Telegram. All right, now make sure your data is on, okay. Now you click on these three dots by the left. Can you see it? Click on it. Okay, when you now click on it, you see new group, okay. New group, you click on that new group, okay. Now if the people you are hosting the course for are on Telegram, you select their names, their contact here. You select it and add them to the group. But if they are not on Telegram yet, okay, you can go ahead and create your group without adding anybody, okay. So you click on this arrow button down, this blue arrow button, okay. Now you now write the name of your group. Okay, let's take for instance Somic Digitals. Okay, I already have Somic. Let's use Somic Digitals. Somic Digitals. Somic Digitals. Okay. Now, this auto delete messages is if you want the message that you are going to send in the group to be there, okay, to be permanent. You can off it, like this one is off, you can off it. But if you want it to disappear, maybe to delete after some times, okay, you can click on this off and state the date or set the date or the week, the month, how long, depending on the period or how long you want it to last, okay. But I'm leaving it off, okay. So now I've written the name of the group. Then here you insert your picture, the picture you want to use for the group, okay. You insert it there. So I'm leaving all these ones. I'm just using this one to show us example. So this is how you insert your this thing. Then you click on this button down there, that blue button with good mark, okay. You click on it. Now your group is ready, okay. Your group is ready, okay. So, and this group can contain up to 200,000 members, okay. This is the best platform to use and host your course for free, okay. Now if you want, your, because this thing you have to set it. Okay, this is where this place is general group. Then for you to now host your course, this is the group where whoever that you share your link to, this is general group. Okay, so but you are going to set your group. Click on this pencil cursor. Okay, now set photo. You can now put your group photo there. You can set it there, but I don't want to do that now. Then your group type, you have to leave it on private. If you leave it on private, is whoever you gave your link will have access to it. But if you put it on, public group, anybody can join your group, and you don't want that. Okay, you don't want that, so leave it on private. Okay, so we are going to leave it on private. We are going to leave it on private group. So here, down here, content protection, here, this is what restricts saving content. Okay, if you post your content, maybe your video course or whatever thing you post there, or ebook or whatever, and you don't want your customers or your clients or the people that bought your course to download that course, people can download it and go and resell it or whatever. But if you don't want that, you are going to on this restrict saving content. So what they will have to do is just to read it on Telegram. They will just read it there, or watch your video on Telegram only. Okay, they will not have access to download or save the course that you posted for them there. Okay, so you on it here, then save it. So this is what you're going to do. You put it on private. All right, then restrict your content, your video course or whatever, from being saved or being downloaded by your customer clients. Okay, then you save it. Okay, then after that, now group type is on private, restricted. Okay, nobody can download or save your content. Okay, now chat history. You can leave it to visible. Okay, so that whoever that joins will see the previous chat history, the previous messages you people have in the group. Okay, now this is where the important this is the important aspect of this video. Okay, this is the important aspect of this video. These topics, this page that you see topics, this is the important aspect of this video. Okay, what you are going to do here, the benefit of this is for you to separate your course from the general group. Okay, using this topic option is for you to separate your course from the general group. If you put it on general group, and there will be there will be a lot of messages that will push your course to be up. So if new member join, they will find it difficult to find the course. Okay, so for you to separate your course from the general group, that is why you're going to use this topic. You on it. Okay, you on this topic. When you now on it, you set it. Let me show us the difference. Let me off it first. It's off now, right? Okay, let's go and view our group. It's off now, right? Let's save it. Let's view our group. Do you see how it is? Do you see it here? This is Somic Digitals. Do you see it? This is how it's going to appear. But when you on that settings, okay, when you on this topic, put this topic on now. Let's go and view our group again. You see how it will look like. Mark on this. Okay, no topic say. Okay, do you see how it's looking at like Summit Digitals? Okay, so now the importance of it is, now this is where you are going to create your course. Almost done. This is where you are going to
Start to create a topic. Okay, on this blue this thing, you tap it, then you create your course. Let's say you want to, you name your course. You say course one. Okay, course one. What is course one all about? Let's say course one is all about let's say you are creating content around digital marketing. Okay, then course one will be, what is digital marketing? Okay, what is digital marketing? Okay, what is digital marketing? Okay, great. Okay, now say you've created a topic, right? Now say digital marketing. You begin to type whatever you want to type. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about. So I don't want to make this video to be long. Okay, it's all about you. You type everything you want to type. Okay, and send it. Okay, then after that, you now, if it's a video course, you can now add your video. You click on this cursor down here by the speaker side. You click on it and select your video from your gallery. The video you want to use for the course. Okay, you select it from the gallery. Okay, you select any video that you want to use for the course. Let me use this one. I click on it, you send it. Okay, it's there. Then if you want to use voice notes, you send it, you hold this and do everything you want to do, just like that. Then after that, go back. Now you see, you now have a course one. Okay, you now have course one, and your course is separate from your general group. If you want to switch to general group, you click here. This is general group. This is where all the members that bought your course, this is where they are going to stay. Okay, then your course will be separate. This place is your course. Okay, so this place is your course. So you want to create another topic. Let's say course two. You click on these three dotted line there. You click on it and create topic. Another one. Let's say course two. Okay, let's say course two. Okay, create. Importance of digital marketing. Like that. I don't know if you understand. Importance of digital marketing. Okay, you can keep it in capital letter. I'm just using this for example. You send it. Okay, then if you have a video for it, you click here and select the video. And post it. Okay, you select a video there and post it. Then after everything, your course two is ready. Do you see it? This course one, this course two. Okay, and this general group. Okay, then you want to create another one, continue, just like that. Okay, just like that, you continue creating. Do you see it? Create, you continue what? Creating. So that's it. Somebody paid for your course and you want to share your link to that person. What you are going to do is click here, the upper side, that place that you saw this so many digital. Click on that place. Okay, when you click on it, click on this pencil cursor. Okay, now you are going to copy out the invite link. Can you see where the invite link is? You click on it.
then copy it. You copy it. You copy it. So you copy this link and send to the person. Okay, the person that paid for your course. The person will now click on that link and join the Telegram. Okay, so that's it. Then if you want to create your own link, if you want to create it, you click on this create a new link. This new link, this is the one that expired within a period of time. Okay, you and it's also important, it's also good, because when you use it and you send it to your client, the client did not use it, maybe within a day or 2 days that you sent it, the link will expire. Okay, the person cannot be able to use it and join the group. Okay, so you click on this create and create your link and set the time period you want it to 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 last. Okay, then request admin approval. It's very important. This thing is very important. That create a new link. It's very, don't use that general link. Use this request admin approval link. Okay, this one that you set, so that while you use this, you will not like a situation whereby somebody bought your course, and you send that general link to that person. The person now join, or maybe the person copy that link and send to another person that didn't buy your course. Do you get it? And send it to another person that didn't buy your course. The person will now join your group without buying your course or without paying for your course. Okay, so you have to set the link that you are sending to your customer or the person that bought your course. So you create on this request admin approval, then set the time you want, maybe 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, that you want it to last. If the person didn't use it, it will expire. Okay, so you set it, maybe 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Then here is no limit. You don't want it to expire, you can leave it like that. Okay, then you can make the link expire after a certain time. Okay, then link name, you can put the link name, maybe you said course purchase, for you to use it and remember. Okay, then after that you create link. So now anybody that buy your course, you click on it and copy it. Okay, and copy it, then send it to that person. And the person, when you send it to the person will click on it. The person will click on that link, but that person will not have access to your Telegram group until you approve it. The person will appear here, the person will be here, but he will not join your Telegram group until you approve it. When you now approve it, that's when the person will now join the Telegram group. And how you differentiate, you tell the person to send the proof of payment to you on WhatsApp or whatever you need, you discuss with the person. Person will send the evidence of payment, the screenshots of your evidence of payment, and the name. Okay, when you now see the name and come here and check the name, you see that the name will correspond, or the name will tally with the payment the person made. Then you now approve the person. Okay, the person will appear here. You check the name. If it tallies with the person that paid you, you approve the person. The person will have access to the group. Okay, so that's it. Then other ones, members, reactions. Okay, so that's how to do it. All right, please remember to subscribe and like, comment. Okay, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will answer to it in my next video. All right, bye, see you.